Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily delete your repost on TikTok. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. So open your Play Store or App Store, doesn't matter. We're only here to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, or at least we have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly. Now let's quit the store and of course open TikTok now. Make sure you're logged into your account. And now let's pick a video to repost. To repost a video, you tap on the arrow button that should be right under the save button in the right side of the screen. You get this menu, tap on that yellow button that says repost. Now let's say you have reposted this video and you haven't went really far in the app, you just scroll down a little bit and you remember that video and you want to delete that repost. Scroll back up, tap on the same buttons, the arrow button, and then tap on the same yellow button. This time it's going to delete the repost instead of reposting. Now let's say you want to delete reposts of things that you have reposted maybe weeks ago, days ago, doesn't matter. Follow up with me. Let's say I have reposted this video days ago and I wanted to find it in a place where I find all of my reposts. You tap on the icon in the bottom right to go to your profile and then tap on the icon in the middle of the screen that is basically made of two arrows. Once you tap on it, you find every single video that you have ever reposted here. If you want to delete a repost, tap on the video that you have reposted and then tap on the same arrow in the bottom right side of the screen and then tap on delete or remove repost, that yellow button, just like that. And you can do this as many times as possible. You can save and then unsave the same videos however you want. It's not really complicated. As you can see guys, it's very clear and straightforward. And that is guys, how can you easily delete your reposted videos on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.